Hi guys, it's Jessica and I'm in Arena 8 Frozen Peak. I was in the jungle arena, got a super magical and a magical chest, got silver and a golden. I mean this it was a good clan for the last chest, but this clan's not. So I've got Lava Hound, Log and Princess, and I got oh Graveyard. That's my other legendary. So I've got 4 legendaries, and I'm I'm hopefully I'm wanting like a legendary, right? Any and that one. So they're the cards that I have still to find. I've got what's in the new arena, jungle arena. So oh no, I've unlocked new cards. So I got the Battle Ram and Dart Goblin. So I'm going to be opening up my super magical chest, hopefully in this video. Well, I will. I'm gonna friendly battle someone first. Oh, someone did it. Okay, this is gonna be a challenge. Okay, she plays Prince. Okay, level 4 Prince. She doubled her Prince. That's alright. Got Skeleton Army. If not, I've got Minion. Place Goblin Barrel over to this side with the Princess. I'm gonna place the Musk with the Princess. She arrowed it, which was a good choice. And I can tell it I'm gonna log that now. Damn it. See, like Princess got a few hits. They arrowed my lava. Now I can do my Princess. Oh, well, I got that tower. Now hopefully gonna get this. Oh, damn it. She placed Wizard. That's destroyed it. Go Lava Pups. Come on, Lava Pups. Yes, Lava Pups. I love ya. Okay, wait for that witch to move. I'm gonna place, yeah, what, I wanna place, it's like glitching. Oh, yes. So she got one tail? Oh, it must have been from her prince, maybe? I don't know. Can I get it? Yes, 3-1 win! Woohoo! To Jess. Well, it says Nico because it used to be my brother's account. So we got 2 in there. So still got the super magical. I don't know what I want to. So I'm gonna do another friendly battle. Oh, it's the same person. She arrowed it. No, you thanks. We'll put in that anyway. Thumbs up. Easy. Don't know where I placed that. Oh well. Damn. Missed some. Oh. So we've got to arrow those. Didn't get that much damage. Oh, I didn't mean to place that. Come on. Oops. Oops. Look, Fox is not playing. And she is. So 3-0 win to Jess. So I won that. She lost. Okay. So let's open it. So I got a new card. Okay. Oh, I got lots of space.